Introducing period-end balances. Hello, Amina here. As an accountant, I need to generate and download period-end balances as part of my month-end close process. Let's take a look at how this is done in Nakisa General Ledger. To begin, I'll log into the Nakisa General Ledger, and I'll click the main menu in the top left-hand corner. I'll expand the General Ledger section, and I'll select the period-end balances. On this page, I can set the inputs required to generate and download the report. Firstly, I'll select my ERP system. Then I'll select my company code. Next, I'll select my fiscal year. The yellow X next to 2025 means that period-end balances have not been calculated for all periods within this fiscal year. Now I'll select the fiscal period. The green check mark next to period 1 means that I have already generated my period-end balances for that fiscal period, and no changes in the transactions have occurred. The red X mark next to period 2 and beyond means that I haven't generated the period-end balances for this fiscal period, or that there have been changes to the transactions since I last generated them. I'll select Fiscal Period 2. I can navigate to the Ledger Transaction tab to view all the ledger transactions that will be included in the calculations. To see the period-end balances, I'll click Calculate. On the Period Balances tab, I can now view the balances. I can toggle the view between contract currency and company currency, and I can export this report to Excel by clicking the Download Report button. I have successfully downloaded my report to Excel. I will now be able to reconcile the Nakisa subledger against my general ledger. This allows me to ensure all transactions have been accurately recorded in the period.